Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu says, I was in a field along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam while he was reclining on a date palm staff. Meanwhile, some Jews happened to pass by him and said to one another, Ask him about this spirit. Some of them said, Don't ask him, lest he should make you doubtful about it. Some of them remarked, Not go to him, lest he should give you an answer you dislike. Some of them said, You must ask him. So they asked him about the spirit. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed silence and did not give them any reply. I understood that he was being revealed to, so I stayed where I was standing. When the revelation had descended on him, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, And they ask you about the spirit. Say, the spirit is a thing by the command of my Lord, and you were not given knowledge but a little. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4721.